How to draw an ellipse. The materials that we need: a pen, a pencil, a string, and a board and a compass. Step number 1. Start with the length and width of the ellipse. The two lines are the major and minor axis of the ellipse. The major axis is the longer one, and the minor axis is the shortest one. Step number 2. With the compasses, point on the center. Set the compasses to the width of half of the major axis of an ellipse. Step number 3. Move the compasses pin to the one of the end of the minor axis of the applied ellipse and draw two small semi-curved across the major axis. Step number 4. These arcs cross the major axis are the foci of the ellipse. It could be labeled them as F1 and F2. F means focus. F plus F means foci. So focus number 1 and focus number 2 equals to foci. Step number 5. Put a pin in each end of the major axis, then tie the string to the pins so that the string between them is straight and can't move apart. The best way to do this is to push the pin through the string itself. Step number 6. Leaving the string attached at the point required. Move the pins to the focus points by the F1 and F2. Put a pencil point against the string and pull the string regard with the pencil. Step number 7. Keep moving the string through the compass. Move the pencil in a large arc angle. The pencil will draw out the corresponding ellipse, and try to keep your hand straight and neat to get a great result. Step number 8. As we are done, at the end our result got a great drawing of an ellipse. So the ellipse will pass through the 4 intervals points, defining through the ends of the major and minor axis.
First of all, the material that we have is a paper, a string, a pen, and a pencil, and a board. So first of all, we need to center the string to the center and insert the pencil through the string and move the pencil with the string so we can draw an ellipse. So we go circle around, try to push the pencil through the string so we get a full ellipse. So here we have focus number 1 and here we have focus number 2. So both of them are called a foci. The major axis is the long one and the minor axis is the shortest one. As we see here the x-axis and here the y-axis. Here x and here's y, and as we can see which one is the longest one is the major and the shortest one is the minor.